Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the FS Coach, and this is another edition of our weekly outlook sessions. Okay, whereby we do a weekly outlook of what we're expecting from the market going into the week. So yeah, today I'll be sharing with you what I'm looking at on GU Gold and Euro USD going into the week from on the 14th of November to 18th of November. All right, so let's do a review of what happened last week. Okay, so last week I said I'm expecting gold to be bullish. Okay, and the market opens from here, whereby I said the market took off this previous high that we have from the previous week. So I'm expecting the market to do a kind of retracement back to this high and have a bit of support and then push the market up. Okay, so the news events that we have in the course of the week actually made the market move so fast. Okay, you can even see the market follows the pattern that I drew you. So that's not part of it, but here is something that I want you to note, that when the news was coming up, this was the CPI news that came up on Thursday, I guess. So I spot this pattern, and so they call this pattern flag. Some people call it peanut or whatever they call it. But I just want you to take note of this kind of pattern each time you are trading. Okay, so when you see the market do a very big push up or rally and then doing a little consolidation, okay, there is tendency that the market will still continue in that direction. A little consolidation, continue in that direction. Okay, so because I was expecting a sell here, but looking at this pattern that actually formed here, I know that this sell is not going to be valid. Okay, because we have a chart pattern around this level. Okay, so just take note of that as a bonus. All right, so let's see what happens on GU. So GU also, I said I'm expecting the market to be bullish. So the market opened around here. I first said I'm expecting the market to come back to this other block that I have here, and the market push up to this resistance, retrace back to this other block, and then push back to this target. Okay, but what we see the market opens is that it took off this previous high that we were looking at. Okay, gets to our target, come back to do a retracement, and then still pushes higher again back to this zone. Okay, so it still follows what we anticipated for when we're doing our weekly outlook. Okay, so also on Euro USD, I said Euro USD has been giving us some higher lows formations. Okay, so the market opened here, and I was saying the same thing, that I'm expecting the market to sell from this resistance. The market come back to this and then receive another support and push the market up to this previous resistance that we have. Okay, so and I made mention that this resistance, the market might be doing a kind of rejection. You can see, so here where I put a sell, that I'm expecting a sell, but overall I'm bullish on EU, and you can see as the market play out. Okay, so I think we actually have a very nice performance in the course of the week, in the previous week. I don't know how to edit picture. I would have loved to attach some stuff to it, but it is what it is. I can't do that now. So Eagle CHF actually trigger our stops. Although I told you guys that I will only be trading between gold and GU last week. Okay, but I'm not sure. I did, okay, I did an analysis on this pair that I said I was actually expecting Excel earlier there, but after I took off this previous high, I said this might be a retracement. So we have resistance now becoming support, expecting the market to push up. Let me show you if I can see that here. You go see HF analysis. Okay, yeah, this is it. So after breaking this high, I was actually expecting a sell, but after breaking this high, so I thought maybe it's going to continue to the upside, but I was anticipating for a sell earlier. Okay, that's on Euro CHF. And what do you have here again? USD CHF actually moves to trigger a stop last week. Okay, but I said I'm still expecting a massive sell. Okay, and you can see how the market actually dropped on USD CHF. And lastly, AUD USD actually gave us the sell we were anticipating before turning to move to the upside. Okay, we didn't do analysis on this last week, and also likewise this week we'll only be focusing on gold and GU. Okay, so here is the before that I shared the analysis on gold and GU and Euro USD. So into the week, what should we be looking out to? Okay, I think let me move to my MT4, then we do our analysis there, then probably maybe um we'll come back to trading view to do the trade. Okay, so now let's start on gold from the weekly time frame. Okay, there was this time I said I'm expecting gold to buy from this support level. Okay, I can remember it's this exact candle that made me give that outlook that I'm expecting gold to be bullish. Okay, now let me come back to 20 people. I can see the analysis. Okay, yeah, this is it. So I said I'm expecting GU to be bullish. I'm expecting gold. I'm having a bullish bias on gold as well. Okay, so this is actually the trade here. This is actually the trade here. Okay, so but the market did not follow this Bible. Now we can see you can see gold in a bullish run now. Okay, so overall, like I'll say also, I'm bullish on gold. But let's see. Here are the few things that I want you to take note of. The first thing that I'm looking out on gold right now is this selling point right here. Okay, I'm looking at this zone to be a very key zone might continue that might continue to push gold down. And I'm also looking at this level right here. Okay, these are resistance level actually, and it's not a particular price. It's actually a zone that we can see the market do some consolidation and continues to move down. Okay, but let's go to this, just on a weekly time frame. Okay, so I'm having this bullish bias on gold actually, because using the candlestick pattern, you can see how the market rejected from this 1621, breaking through to into the support that we have at 1681, and the market continues to push higher. I'm still expecting gold to get to this zone, come back to 1980 something. Okay, but let's see what we have on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, to be more precise about our zone, so I'll be looking at this level, and I'll be looking at this level right here. Okay, so this level are just resistance zone that I'm expecting the market to do a bit of pullback and continue to go to the upside, or probably break through here, come back to test here, and continue to go down up to this side. Okay, but here is what I want you to take note of. Okay, so on daily time frame now, we can draw this I have to do this on MT4. Okay, so here we have this downtrend. Okay, the market has been coming to this downtrend, and we're expecting it, but now we can see that the market actually have taken off this previous high that we have. Okay, this is a lower high, this is a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, but right now we have the market moving into higher high. Okay, so this is a change of structure, this is a change in market structure. Okay, so what we are expecting now is the market to do a bit of pullback and then continues to go up in this direction. Okay, so this is just what I will do here on MT4, and I will go back to trading view to do the drawing. Okay, so let's check on GU also. On GU, let's start from the weekly. On GU, we also see that the market has been on a very strong downtrend. Okay, in the course of the year, the market has been on a very strong downtrend. But look at this, guys. If you check the movement of this candle, okay, about 520 pips in a single week, you will see that there has not been any bullish candle that is this strong. Okay, if you look across to the previous candles that we have, this is a very strong bullish candle that we have not seen in so many weeks back. Okay, no, this is telling us that we are now having some kind of bullish pressure into the market. Okay, we are now having some kind of bullish pressure into the market. So that's just the first thing we want to see on weekly. And guys, I want you to note that candlestick formation works perfectly on higher time frame. Like, if you trade candlestick, maybe you like trading pin bar, you like trading engulfing candles, what have you, it works perfectly on higher time frame than lower time frame. I don't know, that's just my own perspective. If you're trading candlestick, trade it on lower time frame, you will enjoy it. On higher time frame rather, you will enjoy it. So here's what we have on daily time frame. So we have the market also in a very strong downtrend. Okay, but now or now we can see the market take off this previous so guys, we have these eyes taking off. Okay, so now we are looking to this next swing eye. Okay, so but on GE also I'm having a bullish bias. Okay, so you can see that this trend, the previous swing eye that we have is now taking out. Okay, so let's move to trading view to do our drawing. So on gold, I'm just going to clear all this. Alright, so let's fix what we have. So we have this low, okay, and the market has taken up this previous swing high that we have. Okay, now I highlighted that I'm looking at this level right here. Okay, this right here, and I'm looking at this other eye right here. Okay, to know what the market will do for us on this level. Okay, so basically I'm expecting a bullish movement in the market, but here is what my prediction is. Alright, so this movement will take off this eye. Okay, do a retest, and then continues to give us a new swing high. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at as regards this, or the market will, from here come down to do a touch on this previous signal and then go up. Okay, so like I said, I'm bullish on this pair as well, but this will be a better entry for us to get in if you can wait for the market, to do a kind of pullback to this previous swing high before we go for the buy. It's going to be a good entry for us. Okay, so that's what I'm looking out to for on gold. And don't forget that we are hoping if the market will respect this zone right here, we are going in for a short, because this resistance looks so good. Okay, and it might even stop on this, this bullish stuff that we have here. So we have a bullish order block here. Okay, we have a bullish order block here. I'll probably debel this later. We have a bullish order block here. Okay, so the market might be getting the momentum for this buy. This push up all started from here, do a very massive push up, do a little retracement, another push up, a little retracement, another push up. So we know at this particular spot we have a very strong bullish bias here. So the market might even drop to this level before doing the buy. Okay, so we'll be looking for the sell to that level. Okay, so if probably the market will respect this resistance that we have here, we'll be looking for a sell to this level, and we'll get out at that particular spot because we have a lot of buying pressure there. So like I said, it's good for us to wait for our entry around this zone. Okay, before we go long on gold. So next is GU, and like I said on GU also, I'm also bullish on GU because we've seen the market give us a change in momentum from higher time frame perspective. So let me also go to daily. I'm going to publish this report as well and share the link to the report um on my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to have a better view of what the analysis look like, you can check it out on TradingView. Okay, alright, so like I said, we have a very massive buying pressure coming in on GU as well. So the buying pressure might also continue, but here are the few stuff we can see. Remember, I don't know how to, I don't trade trend or something like this, trend line stuff like that. I don't trade it, but you know just reading structure, we have market giving us higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Okay, so you know it's an uptrend. We have higher highs, higher high, higher highs. You know it's an uptrend. So that's what I just look out to know if the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. So I don't trade with trend line, basically support and resistance market structure. Okay, so we have this resistance taken out, let's say the swing high that we have from this swing low. Okay, so taking off this high, taking off this high, now it has broken. The next spot we are looking out to is this level. Okay, so probably GU will also buy to this high. Okay, to this high, and might sell back to this zone. Okay, but we have this high also right here. So if the market is able to take off this previous swing high, it continues to this level. If the market will do a sell from this level, then from this place it continues to buy. Now we are looking into more buying buyers now. Excuse me. Based on what I already explained from weekly time frame on my MT4. Okay, so let me just extend these buyers to this high. So this is what we're expecting on GU, but these are also selling points where the market might do some kind of sell, because don't forget that all these support and resistance zone are very powerful zone whereby you can see the market doing a very quick move around the zone. Okay, so you just want to take your entry, then look for the next point for you to get out. Okay, because it's the movement is just going to be very spontaneous, like I explained last week, and we see how the market moved. So this is another selling point right here. Okay, so support and resistance, and you can see the what's it called, you can see the bearish pressure around this zone. You can see how the market started dropping from this zone. So the same thing might happen. One of the basic rule of technical analysis is that you believe that what happened previously in the chart will come back to happen again. That's just the main ideology behind technical analysis. If you are doing fundamental analysis, is when you are digging down into what pushes the market, the determinant of the strength or the weakness of a particular currency. But when you are dealing with technical analysis, you are just trying to be logical about some particular points or zones whereby you're expecting the market to do the same thing it actually did in the past. Okay, so that's just the basic idea about technical analysis. Okay, so that's what we have on this actually. So I have this downtrend broken. Okay, so if you know how to draw your trend line very well, you know this trend line, we have swing higher high, higher high, get a bit higher, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Okay, I won't be able to label it. Maybe I can label it later. So the market might push back to this previous high, but here are some few selling points that we might have in the course of the week. Okay, guys, so I will just have to stop here. I'll have to stop here. Okay, so I hope this is helpful, and let's see how this week will go. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you are returning subscribers, thank you for dropping by, guys. So let's look out for this performance. Okay, and let's see what will happen in the course of the week. Cheers, guys. Have a profitable week ahead, guys.